All right, let's look at the homework 5.2, 5.3, problem number 6. All right, so let's evaluate this integral here. All right, so I'm going to use a substitution. We're going to let u be this guy right here. So you have the expression inside the parentheses, x squared plus 4x plus 2. So this is going to be our u. So here, x squared plus 4x plus 2, right? And go through the usual drill, right? We're going to take the derivative of u with respect to x. We're going to get derivative of x squared would be 2x, and derivative of 4x is 4, and derivative of 2 is 0. So we have that. And then first thing I would do is I'm going to take the reciprocal of both sides. So you have a dx over du is equal to 1 over 2x plus 4. All right, then we're going to multiply both sides by du. So we get dx is all by itself is du over 2x plus 4. All right, if you want, since both are even numbers, we can actually pull out 2. So you have a du over 2. Then you have x plus 2. All right, we have that. All right, so let's rewrite this integral here. All right, integral here. All right. First thing I would do is, let's see, so you have a 16, so 32. So I'm going to pull out the 16 outside. And then, let's see, if you pull out 16 from 32, it would be 2, right? Then on the bottom, we have a u to the 9th power. So u to the 9th power, right? So dx is same thing as, du over 2 times quantity x plus 2. So we're going to plug this in right here. All right, so which will give us du over, and you have a 2 times quantity x plus 2. All right, so you see that there's a nice thing happening. So you have x plus 2 on top and x plus 2 on the bottom, cancel each other out. And then we can cancel 2 and 16, so 2 and 16, so you're going to have 8 left over there. All right, so then we can clean this up a little bit here. All right, so we have that. So we have an integral. All right, so there is 8 still there. So I'm going to put 8. All right, then we have u to the 9th power on the bottom. So we can write it as, so it's basically 1 over u to the 9th power. So I'm going to rewrite it as u to the negative 9 power. All right, then only thing left is du here. So we're going to put du. All right, so we have a nice and simple integral here. All right, so we can just do a power rule here. So 8 is just a constant multiple, put it here. And then we're going to add 1 to the power. So since I'm following the power rule, u to the, so negative 9 plus 1 is negative 8. Then we're going to divide by that power, so it's negative 8. Then you have a plus some constant c. Right? Then you can see that we can cancel 8 on top and then negative 8 on the bottom. So you have a negative sign left over. So we're going to get, first, we take care of the negative sign, which is this guy right here, right? And remember that the u is originally this quadratic expression here. So I'm going to put that in the parentheses. So you have x squared plus 4x plus 2. Right, then we want to raise it to negative 8th power and plus some constant c. Right, if you don't like a negative power, so you can use this negative power. We can write it as a reciprocal, so you can also write it as a 1 over quantity x squared plus 4x plus 2, and then plus some constant c. All right, so let's type it in. I think the system will accept either way. All right, so I'm going to put here, we have a negative 1 over quantity x squared plus 4x plus 2, raise it to the 8th power, and then plus some constant c. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.